Do you want to learn how to turn your ideas into reality? If you do, please continue watching. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchit.fun. Everyone, I'm Samson. Thank you for visiting Sketchit.fun. I made this Sketchup tutorial series to teach you how to turn your ideas into reality. In this video, I'll be introducing you to a preview of some of the ideas I have done with Sketchup before. Here, you can see a solar layout and perspective. With SketchUp, you can design a preliminary solar energy system without visiting the actual site. You can save on time, travel, cost, and manpower. Next, you can demonstrate the solution to a customer. When it first began, there was only a fan, a motor, and a coupling. We introduced a solution here and a belt here so that we can actually help our customer to save energy. So you can actually see the yellow box is showing the new addition that we added to this existing system. And you can do all of this with SketchUp. And the best thing is, you don't have to spend money. You can just demonstrate what you want to do in a picture form. Then if it does not work out, you can keep adjusting. So now, what problems can you see SketchUp solving? And what ideas do you see being created? Please leave answers to this question below in the comment section. I would really like to hear from you. Here, SketchUp came to my rescue again. I had to send this part to be custom made. As you can see, here are the 2D dimensions. Below are some couplings that I drew with SketchUp because I couldn't download any of them and there were only 2D plans or a physical product available. Next, you can turn pictures of floor plans into 3D models with SketchUp. You can also test out materials and see how they look. Thank you for watching this video. I made this video because with SketchUp, everyone has the ability to turn their ideas into reality. You can be anyone, but with SketchUp, we are all creators and problem solvers. Please subscribe to my channel by pressing the subscribe and bell notification. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can search for me at Sketchit.fun. Oh yes, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention. In this series, I'll be teaching you SketchUp essential skills to turn your ideas into a form everyone can see and also solve problems in your daily life. Okay, thank you for staying. See you next time.